Are you the best Miller MIG welders? MIG welders are a cornerstone of modern welding applications, valued for their versatility, ease of use, and ability to handle a wide range of materials. Whether you're a professional fabricator or a DIY enthusiast, choosing the right MIG welder can significantly impact your projects. In this article, we've conducted a thorough comparison of 5 top-rated models from trusted brands like Welder, Lincoln Electric, and Miller. Product MIG 205 DS Pro MIG Welder. The Welder MIG 205 DS Pro is a feature-packed multi-process welder that combines versatility with robust performance. With 5-in-1 functionality, it supports gas MIG, flux core MIG, spool gun MIG, lift TIG, and stick welding, making it suitable for a wide range of applications. The digital display enhances usability, while the dual voltage, 110 volts, 220 volts, ensures compatibility with various power sources. Its 200 amp output is sufficient for welding both thin and thick materials, including steel, aluminum, and stainless steel. In terms of performance, the MIG 205 DS Pro excels in providing stable and reliable welding output. The Synergic MIG mode is particularly useful for beginners, as it automatically adjusts voltage based on wire feeding speed. Professionals, however, may prefer the manual MIG mode for greater control. Safety features such as overcurrent and overheating protection add to its appeal. While it shines in versatility, its relatively heavy weight, 36.3 pounds, may limit portability for some users. Product 2. 90i MIG. The Lincoln Electric Weldpack 90i is a compact and portable MIG welder designed for small jobs and DIY projects. Weighing only 15 pounds, it features an inverter design and comes with a shoulder strap for easy transport. This welder operates on 120-volt power, making it accessible for home users. It supports flux cord and solid MIG wire welding, with a maximum material thickness of 1/4 inch for flux cord and 3/16 inch for solid MIG. For solid wire, infinite voltage control allows fine-tuning for smooth weld characteristics. Performance-wise, the Weldpack 90i is ideal for light-duty tasks such as home repairs and hobby projects. Its simple 2-knob interface makes it beginner-friendly, while the inverter power source ensures efficient operation. However, its limited amperage output and material thickness capacity may not suit heavy-duty or professional applications. The lightweight design and included accessories, such as the protective metal case, add convenience for mobile welders. Product 3. Power MIG 211i MIG Welder K60801. The Lincoln Electric Power MIG 211i is a premium MIG welder, offering advanced functionality and robust construction. It supports MIG, flux cord, and spool gun welding processes with dual input voltage, 120, 230 for versatility. The ergonomic case design includes multiple lift points, enhancing portability despite its 41 pounds weight. The Magnum Pro 100L welding gun provides superior comfort and control, reducing hand fatigue during extended use. This welder is designed for professionals and serious hobbyists who require reliable performance across various materials. The 7-segment display and basic knob controls simplify operation, while the robust wire drive ensures consistent feeding. However, its price point may deter budget-conscious buyers, and its heavier weight limits portability compared to lighter models. Overall, the Power MIG 211i delivers excellent results for demanding applications. Product 4. K3291 AutoPro 155S. The Lincoln Electric AutoPro 155S is an inverter-based stick welder that delivers consistent performance in a compact form factor. With a welding output range of 30 to 155 amps, it is suitable for a variety of tasks. From light-duty repairs to more intensive projects, The package includes essential accessories, such as a work cable, electrode holder, and shoulder strap for portability. Its solid-state design ensures durability and reliability over time. While the AutoPro 155S is marketed as a stick welder, its performance and portability make it a viable option for users seeking a versatile solution. The lightweight construction, 27.1 pounds, and included shoulder strap enhance mobility, while its range of output amps provides flexibility for different materials. However, its limited feature set compared to multi-process welders may not appeal to users seeking advanced capabilities. Product number: Millermatic 252 Electric MIG Welder. The Millermatic 252 is a heavy-duty MIG welder designed for industrial and professional use. Featuring wheeled portability and compatibility with 208/230 VAC power, it is built to handle demanding applications. Manufactured in the United States by Miller Electric, this welder emphasizes occupational health and safety, making it an excellent choice for workplaces prioritizing user protection. Performance-wise, the Millermatic 252 stands out for its ability to handle thicker materials and high-volume welding tasks. Its wheel design enhances mobility within workshops or job sites, though its weight and size may limit portability outside of industrial settings. While its price is not listed, it is expected to fall into the premium category, making it less accessible for casual users or hobbyists.